friends, this is Chef Ananya Banerjee and today I have got two fabulous recipes for you straight from Mangalore, Neer Dosa and Chicken Ghee Roast. The word Neer means water. So Neer Dosa essentially means water dosa. I have soaked 1 cup of rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I have soaked 1 cup of rice overnight. I have drained the rice and I am going to grind it now. Add a little bit of grated coconut. This is also optional. Some people make Neer Dosa without any coconut, just with rice. But I am adding a little coconut, it gives a very nice flavor. Salt to taste. And let's make this into a very smooth batter. Take the batter out. Today's recipe has two components. One is the dosa and one is the chicken. So I am marinating the chicken now. So for the marination, first taken some dahi, ghee powder, little salt, ginger paste, garlic paste. Mix this well. So I keep the chicken marinade aside. Ghee roast masala. I've taken some Kashmiri red chilies, soaked them in boiling water, fennel seeds or sauf, some black pepper whole, dhania seeds, whole jeera, methi seeds, more water to dilute. Ghee roast masala paste is done now. The whole preparation is made and cooked in ghee. Good amount of ghee goes. First little mustard seeds, the onions, some curry leaves, remember I have already added some salt in my chicken marination. So this is just for the masala. Add some ginger paste, some garlic paste and some chopped green chilies. I'm going to add that. Marinated chicken. Masala is all well mixed. I'll cover this and cook this for 10 to 12 minutes or till the chicken is absolutely tender and the masalas leave sides of the oil. So this is really a watery batter. And there is a way of putting the Neer Dosa on the tawa. Just look at that. Look at the color. So the chicken is perfectly cooked and you can see the oil is oozing out of the masalas. You know that the ghee roast is done. Curry leaves, that's for you my friends, Neer Dosa with chicken ghee roast. I like the recipe. What will you do? Like, comment, share and subscribe.